go. Salmon slaying sisters.
So not quite the beautiful sunny day, but thankfully when you look at the Valdez forecast, every day is raining, so it's not like we just picked the wrong day.
Aren't we in a rainforest?
I don't know. I'm not sure here.
So as you guys can see in the background there, we are heading out to do some salmon fishing today, so that'll be fun. That's something that I've wanted to do for a long time.
Yeah, it should be fun.
Halibut would have been probably way more enjoyable, maybe because of the size of the fish, but that's okay. I just want to go out and do some fishing.
I think and the size of the boat's probably like our sea dory almost.
Yeah, so it'll be fun. Just obviously a local guy that's going to take us out until 4, 5, 6 hours today on the ocean, and we'll see what we catch.
So we'll take you along, and hopefully we're not just sitting there.
Or seasick.
Yeah, yeah.
About 15 minutes in out of the harbor, and go up and take a look. We're around outside. Usually we see some pretty interesting things coming out of the harbor. Harbor seals, sea otters, and my favorite birds, which are Arctic terns. Mostly I like them to just in the sun all the time, like kind of Indian.
Yep. Bob does. Nice. Ooh. Whoa, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Trick to not let them go, or? Okay.
Nice.
Happy to put this on the ladies?
Yeah.
You guys are 66.
Nice catch.
You're going to keep this fish, but he's catching it. Did it work for you? You're happy?
Absolutely. Okay. Woo, that's a big one.
Beautiful.
This is a pink salmon, yeah? Pink chum. Okay.
Yeah, he's just flipping. But he's over here.
Yeah, I don't want to catch the anchor.
There you go.
There we go.
Yes.
He's still under there.
Did he go back, or is he stuck on the...
It's like he's caught on something. Josh, he's caught on something under the boat.
There you go.
Oh, there you go.
Nice, what is that? That looks different.
Exciting stuff. Woohoo, baby! End of the bucket. Oh. Yeah, there we go.
Beautiful. Oh my goodness.
And they're very good.
That's a fatty.
Salmon slaying sisters.
Got it. Oh, they're hefty.
Yep, just right up under the gill, just like that. Fingers up under the gill. Yep.
Got it.
She's a farm girl, so
Gosh, yeah.
she's used to cutting chicken heads off and
Butchering cows.
yeah, butchering cows, pigs.
Salmon sisters right there. I love it.
Aw, good.
Beautiful.
Catch and our limit for the day. Everybody is allowed 6 of them, and there's 5 of us on board. Now we are heading back into the shore, back to the marina.
That was pretty successful, I think.
It was extremely successful. We each caught our limit, and then the other people on board hadn't caught in theirs, so we got to catch their limit as well, and we had a blast.
So we each caught 6, but more than that, probably, I don't know, whatever, 8 or whatever, but 6 was our limit, so we each caught 6, and but we have no place to take the salmon, so we gave them to them.
They were huge salmon.
Well, and it was beautiful, and we didn't have rain, which we expected to have rain, so it was really, really good as far as the weather.
Yeah, it was a fantastic fishing trip. It was really fun. We had a really good guide.
Yeah, the guide's a retired guy that worked in the fishing industry, and so he was easy. It was good, nice boats, and we got nice things. We got our, even though it's not raining now, it was raining out there, but we got our limit before it started raining.
Yeah,
so.
and there were 3 other people on board.
3 other people
besides the captain of the boat, so it was a good number, and met some great people too. And so now they get to enjoy our fish. And
well, and we can do that on our boat. If we want to bring it back to Alaska, which we had it in Alaska a few years ago, we could have done that because it wasn't like that complicated. You just had to find where they were at.
Right,
so.
You had to know where the fish were at. So now we are on our way to Copper Center, and we are going to make a stop there for the night before we move on. So.
Yep.
Definitely not much located at the Copper Center little town, but they do have a coffee shop. Surprised if Bob booked us at one of these places, but we're not. Alright guys, you're in for another adventure. We are staying at this place for the night. We are 2 hours past Valdez on our way to Anchorage, and this is where we're staying for the night, at Uncle Nicole's Inn. There's a great little food truck there. Hi. Nice. Looks like it's gonna be another surprise place for me and you.
You know, this whole area had nothing available, so. But this is only $67, so it's pretty good.
Is it?
Well, they already, in their email, they sent that this is a really small room, and generally older people don't like it. It's like, but younger people it's good for. So.
Does that mean you have to be agile?
I already paid for it. So.
Does it mean you have to be
I
agile?
think it's very small.
Flexible. There's like no windows.
The owner didn't seem very happy to see us, so I was like, you know, I don't know.
Pretty modern. Got its own entry code.
Yeah, maybe it won't be bad. That's okay.
It's fine. What's he talking about?
Well, no, see, all these places that we booked, like, especially in America, they like to, like, make sure you understand this is a small room, you know.
It is small.
Well, the last place, or the one in Anchorage, is like, so you saw that it's a shared bathroom, right? You know, it's like, because he's probably thinking, no, we don't know about that. So.
One bed for you, one bed for me. Here is the shared restroom / laundry room, utility room, shower. I'm sure a ton of you are probably like, what the hell? Where do these guys stay? I always think it's very fun and interesting to stay at places like this, honestly. This doesn't look all that safe, not sure. We got the hot water tank though. That'll work. Yeah, again, adventures of Bob and Gay.
Doubt it. I don't see any drop in. So, who caught the most fish today?
I think it was pretty equal.
It wasn't equal. I mean, it was close, but I think we caught the most.
We caught the most amongst all of us. I got 9,
but
I'm gonna beat you in pool.
I'm pretty sure I got the pool game.
No, you don't. I have 2 left on there. You have 3.
So it's not looking good for Gay.
No,
Fishing.
I still have a shot.
Yeah, I know, but I only have 1 ball left. And I missed it by a micro fraction of
Yeah,
an inch. So
whatever.